this complete beginners masterclass on Cypress. This is going to be a complete course on Cypress, and I will start from scratch and we will go up step by step. So do not worry if you are a complete beginner. Do not worry if you have never worked with Cypress or even with any automation tool or platform. I will teach you everything from scratch and we will go up step by step. So in this masterclass, in this session, we will start with the very basics of Cypress, and I will teach you what is Cypress, why do we use it, how do we get Cypress, install it, and there will be demos and examples. I will also share some links for quizzes that you can do and you can test your knowledge. So let's get started, and first let us see the topics that we are going to cover in this masterclass. We will start with what is Cypress, and then we will see the prerequisites we need, and we will do the installation and setup on our systems. You can follow this on Windows or Mac operating system. I will tell you what are the IDEs, that is integrated development environments you can use for scripting the test cases or creating a project on Cypress, and then we will start with the project. We will learn about object locators. What are object locators? How do we create object locators in Cypress? We will learn Cypress with JavaScript and TypeScript. Now, Cypress uses JavaScript, and any programming language that can transpile down to JavaScript can be used. For example, TypeScript can be transpiled to JavaScript. So any language that can transpile to JavaScript, that can be used to script test cases in Cypress. Then we will look at assertions. What are assertions? What are the verifications and checks that we can use in Cypress? How do we use it? We will learn about page object model design. How do we create a page object model framework in Cypress? And we will also look at what are app actions and how does app actions differ from page object model. Then we will learn how do we group tests and how do we run groups of tests. We will learn about the command line execution and the command line interface. We will see what is package.json. We are going to create a node project for Cypress, and there we will have a very important file that is package.json. We will learn about it. We will see how do we read and write files in Cypress. How do we upload and download files with Cypress? We will look at the reportings. How do we generate reports? How do we use reports in Cypress? We will look at API testing. How can we do API testing in Cypress? And then we will see some custom commands. What are custom commands? How can we create custom commands in Cypress? We will look at Cypress Studio. What is Cypress Studio? How do we use it? And Cypress Dashboard. And we will see a Cypress BDD framework using Cucumber. How can we create a Cypress BDD Cucumber framework? And then we will see how can we integrate database in Cypress. And then we will see how can we put our project on a Git repository, how can we do source code management using Git. And finally, we will see CI/CD with Jenkins. So this is going to be the agenda. These are the topics that we are going to cover, and you can follow along with me with hands-on. This is going to be very easy and very interesting. By the end of this masterclass, you will have knowledge on all these topics. You will be able to create a complete framework, automation framework with Cypress. I'm going to use the latest version of Cypress, so you will see all the latest versions, all the latest things in Cypress. And whenever you are stuck, whenever you have any questions, any issues, you can let me know. I will suggest that whenever you face any challenges, any issues, at first, please try to Google and search for some solutions. You will always get some resources. You will always get pointers, and that is how you will learn. That is how I have learned, and that is how you can also learn. And that will be the best way to learn. And eventually, if you are still facing some issues and you are not getting any solution online, you can put your question in the comments or the Q&A section of this video, and I will try to answer you as soon as I can. I read all my questions